Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I have created the infamous clean girl makeup look, but this is a clean girl makeup look using only affordable makeup products. I also have another clean girl makeup look on my channel. In that video I did use some other high-end products, but this one is completely affordable makeup products only, and this is the result. Honestly, I absolutely loved this clean girl makeup look using only affordable makeup products. It's come out really well. So if you want to know how I got this look, then please do continue watching. So before beginning with the makeup, I'm gonna do a bit of skin prep. For that, I'm using my 10% Cica Glow Face Serum from the DERMA. I take a few drops of that serum and put it on my face and then gently dab it into the skin. It's a very lightweight, watery texture kind of a serum, gets absorbed into the skin and adds a beautiful subtle glow instantly, as well as it helps in long term as well to add that boost of glow to your skin. This serum is infused with Cica extract, tranexamic acid and kojic acid to give your skin a glowing effect. On top of that, I'm using the 5% Cica Glow Moisturizer. Is infused with Cica extract, alpha arbutin and tranexamic acid. So I'm taking a generous amount of the moisturizer. Again, it's a beautiful lightweight gel formula, so I'm just gonna apply that all over the face and neck and let it absorb into the skin. Again, it feels super lightweight and adds the right amount of moisture for my skin, doesn't make my skin oily or anything, and it's a beautiful moisturizer. Every time you make a purchase from DERMA will link your order to a child that they help to educate along with Bhumi. They have pledged to help 10,000 plus students across the year. You can use the coupon code that you see on the screen to get 20% off on the DERMA website. To prime my skin, I'm using the Mars Glow O'Clock Primer, which is a tacky and sticky kind of a primer and also adds a lot of dewiness to the skin, so it really helps in adhering the makeup onto your skin and doesn't budge throughout the day, which I was very impressed. And here you can see the kind of tackiness this primer provides. Then for color correction, I'm using my LA Girl Pro color corrector in the shade orange and applying that on the hyperpigmentation around the mouth area, on top of the acne scars and also on the under eyes. Then I'm gonna take a damp beauty blender to blend the color corrector because I just want a sheer layer of the orange on top of the pigmentation. For the base today, I'm using the Nykaa All Day Matte Foundation in the shade Coffee, which is actually slightly darker to my skin tone. So yeah, this is what I'm using sort of on the main areas of my face, and then I'm going to use my buffing brush to blend the foundation away. This foundation is a very beautiful natural dewy finish and looks very comfortable, lightweight and super natural on the skin, which is exactly what we want for the clean girl makeup look. Now to conceal and highlight, I'm using my favorite K-Beauty liquid concealer in the shade 160N, which is a couple of shades lighter to my skin tone, so it just is gonna brighten up my face a little bit. So I'm just putting that on the under eyes like so, on top of the eyelids as a base, and also cleaning up the bottom area of my eyebrows and also on the center of the face, and then blending it out using a blending brush from Sugar. Once that is done, I'm just going over on top using the damp beauty blender to smooth and even things out. To cream contour, I'm using my Sugar Cosmetics face forward contour stick in the shade Espresso Edge and putting that on the hollows of the cheeks, on the perimeters of my forehead, on my jawline and also on the sides of the nose. Using cream products is going to make sure that your base looks absolutely natural and seamless. And then I'm going to blend it out using my Real Techniques buffing brush. For liquid highlight, I'm using the Nykaa Strobe and Glow liquid highlight in the shade Glazed Bronze, which is a stunning color for dusky skin tone. So I'm just using a tiny little drop of that on both of my cheekbones, and then blending it out using a damp beauty blender. Just a little drop of this highlighter goes a long way. I'm also taking that on the brow bone, also on top of the bridge of the nose, on my cupid's bow and my chin. Once that is done, I'm going to do a bit of liquid blusher. For that, I'm using the Ilana Cosmetics Dream Blush in the shade Flamingo, which is a vibrant corally pinky kind of a color, and just a little touch of this blusher goes a long way. So I'm just gonna apply a little bit of that blusher on the apples of my cheeks and take it up until the temple, and again go over on the top using my damp beauty blender to blend everything out. Since we are using all cream and liquid products, the base is gonna look absolutely blended, seamless and more natural. Now to set and bake my face, I'm using the K Beauty loose powder in the shade Latte, which is a couple of shades lighter to my skin tone. So I'm taking a little bit of that powder and baking my under eyes immediately. Also setting the top of the eyelids, around the mouth area and my nose as well. And for the rest of the face, I'm using a light layer of the same loose powder to set everything in place, because I have an oily skin type. So the skin will turn very dewy on its own. So it's very necessary for me to powder it down. Then for the eyebrows, I'm using the Fay Beauty Brush eyebrow slash mascara product. I do not like this product to use as a mascara on my eyelashes because it's not a jet black color. It's kind of like a charcoal grayish kind of a color, and it's very sheer. So I like this to use as an eyebrow setter slash filler on my eyebrows, and this is the perfect product for clean girl makeup look, because it's gonna give my eyebrows a feathery and bushy look and also set it in place. Once that is done, I'm taking the same loose powder on a thin flat brush to clean up under the bottom area of my eyebrows to make my eyebrows look more cleaner from the bottom. Then I'm going to take the Wet n Wild Color Icon Kajal in the shade Brown, and just going to use that to line my upper lash line very softly, because a black can become too harsh for this kind of a clean girl makeup look. So brown is going to be much softer. And once I've applied the kajal, I'm just going to smudge it out using a pencil brush immediately. This is a fairly creamy kohl pencil, so it gives you enough playtime to smudge out the kajal on your upper lash line. And this way I'm just gonna achieve a very soft definition on my top lash line. Before applying mascara, I'm just gonna curl my lashes using the e.l.f. eyelash curlers for about 10 to 15 pumps. And then for mascara, I'm using my Forever 52 volume mascara. This is an amazing mascara, especially if you want separation and volume at the same time. It's got a big fat wand and just coats your lashes so beautifully. So I'm just gonna apply several coats of this mascara to my top and bottom eyelashes, and also it's a tubing mascara, so removing this mascara is very easy as well. Moving on to the lips, I'm taking the Swiss Beauty matte lip liner in the shade Dark Chocolate, my absolute favorite on my dusky skin tone. So I'm going to overdraw my cupid's bow a little bit and connect it at the corner of my lips. That way my lips will look more plumper, and same on the bottom lip as well, overdrawing the center on the bottom and connect it at the corner. For lipstick, I'm using a beautiful lip product. This is the Nykaa Demi Matte Lip Cream in the shade Basic, which is a earthy toned nudish glossy kind of a lip product. It adds color as well as remains glossy, which is exactly what I wanted for the clean girl makeup look. And also the shade Basic is such a gorgeous color for dusky skin tones again. Now to set and lock everything in place, I'm using the Flower Beauty Seal the Deal setting spray in the dewy variant to add a bit more dewiness and to take down the powderiness on my skin. And here is my final finished clean girl makeup look using only affordable makeup products. I quite absolutely loved the result of this affordable clean girl makeup look. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section as well. It looks very fresh, very youthful and perfect for every day. The base is the hero of this makeup look. Absolutely looks yummy and glowy and dewy and all of that. All the products that I used to create this makeup look will be linked and listed in the description box. I really hope that you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, make sure to give it a huge thumbs up, comment, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Make sure to hit the bell notification to get notified each time I upload a new video on my channel. Also follow me on my Instagram. I'll put the link in the description box. This is it. Take care of yourselves and I shall see you guys soon in my next one. Bye.